So just quick conversation about space and space in general. Really, this space has adapted so much to just the needs of the student population and how much it takes to serve them. So before, we were kind of all in our own little silos, and I was just like, gosh, we need more counter space. We need to be working together as a team. So we set up our island together, so we're all kind of in a collaborative environment, and then also too, we can use so much of the workspace on the walls to sort, pack, and talk to our students. This is Garrett's desk right here. Garrett does, right now he's working on registration and student correspondence, just general inquiries from our student population. We come down to Danny's desk. Danny does a lot of the checking in, the checking out of books. He also does student correspondence and really a lot of the prepping of student material and organizing of as well. This is my workspace. Really, this is where I do a lot of the communication with our locations. I'd say a lot of the director's job is just to, empower the employees to be able to, meet their needs and what they need to do their jobs on a regular basis. We'll come on over here. This is basically where we're storing all of our student materials and making sure that we're keeping a track record of everything that's going on with our students. This is Erica's desk. Erica does does a lot of the student registrations, and then also on top of that, just like everybody else in the office, answering student correspondence, talking to teachers, talking to locations, trying to make the program better, putting reminders on the board, organizing what we need to do. I mean, we're all doing that. And then this is Tori Kuhara's desk. Tori does a lot of the communication kind of with our faculty and in collaboration together. We do a lot of the scheduling and that type of stuff. But again, then Tori goes back to right now, she's writing student correspondence to a student. We have 450 students that for the most part have individual needs, and we need to serve them as individuals and who they are as students and their needs. So that's what's happening over here. If we cruise on over to Miguel's desk, Miguel does a lot of the homework tracking, homework mailing ins and outs. So chances are if you have received a packet, Miguel has touched it, organized it, and sent it to you. So that's what happens a lot right here. But also too, Miguel goes through and he does the student correspondence office hour request forms. He went through, because he has a unique eye as a student and a graduate of LTCC and now a professional at LTCC. We also had him go through and look at the student guide and kind of reframe some of the stuff that we thought of in 2015. So really, again, back trying to make the program better again. Now, well, if we cruise over here, this is where once we receive the homework back from our faculty, we sort it by location so we can send it out to the students. So once we have 2-3 envelopes, boom, we send it off to location so the students can get feedback.